Hi YouTube, today is August the 17th and it's 2023 and it's been a while since I did a video. I have some videos, I probably will post them at a later date. I have about 3 or 4 videos I did, but I never did get a chance to post them up. But I'm doing this one because I got a little mini Shein haul that I just got. And here's my box right here, as you can see. That's my box, so I'm going to open it up. This is a little mini unboxing. So, opening it up. Okay. Hope y'all can see me okay, because I'm in a different location making this video. I'll be trying out everything, you know, to get a better video. Okay, so here's the box. I'm going to put the box on the floor. This is a big box. Okay. Y'all can still see me. Okay, here's the first thing that came out of the box. I got this right here. It's a small, it's like a mini washing machine, they call it. Close-fitting, multi-function, folding washing machine. Okay, so I got that. That's like to wash, like, you know, small things, like maybe to wash underwear, your bras and stuff like that. Or for me, mostly I wanted it to wash my kitchen towels and stuff like that. So, I only have 3 more things, but they're real cute. I also got this right here, as you can see. And this is a chain belt. And I'm going to open it up and show it to you. I'll probably try it on and show you what it looks like. Let's try it. And this is how it looks. Sorry about that. I got my fan on because it's like hot. But this is how it looks. And this look real small. I don't know if this is going to fit my waist. But I'll see, because the proportions that they gave, you know, it didn't seem like it would fit around my waist. So I'm going to have to see. I might have to get a chain extender on here or something if it doesn't fit my waist. Whew. And I was going to say I would give it to one of my grandkids, but none of them are my size, so none of them couldn't fit it. But it's cute though. Okay, and then the next thing I got was, ooh, it's all coming out. What in the world? Was this ring. I thought I was only gonna get 1 ring in there, but I got look like 2 rings. Is it? I don't know. So this is the one that I really bought it for. Was this one? And see, it has like just 3 round silver balls on there. And I'm gonna try it on. It's kind of hard. I don't know if it will fit. Yeah, it fits this finger. Fits this one, and probably my pinky finger. It fits. I don't think it will fit. It just fits on my I don't know what you call this finger, the one next to your pinky finger. Well, anyway, yeah, it does fit. It's a little tight though, but isn't it cute? Look how cute this is. Look at that. Look at that real good, how cute that is. Okay, and then it came with this too, because when I saw it on the picture, I was like, well, wait a minute, look like, whoa, whoa. It's like stuff falling. What the hell? The balls all falling. Hold on a second. Okay, so it came with this one too. And, oh, it's like balls falling out everywhere because the thing is broke. The packaging is broken on here. But here's another one that it came with. This one like this, that looks like this. You can see that. That's how it looks from the side, and it's adjustable because you can see you can pull this apart right here in the back. So I got 2 rings for the price of 1 because I thought they was going to just send me the one that I ordered. And I think you're supposed to, let's see. Yeah, it has 2 little hook things right here, and these 2 little balls are supposed to go on those 2 little hook things, and I'll have to do that off camera. Oh, And one of the things fell off of here. I mean, this is jacked up. So even though I got like this for free, they might as well just kept it because it's broke. Y'all gotta excuse me. That's my mean side. I mean, it's like what you call a cat in the bag, but it's still cute. I could still wear it like this, even though it looks a little off. Okay, so we're going to just move right along off of that because that's not even worth looking at, basically. Other than just this one that I bought. This is worth looking at. Let's see. Can you open this one out? Let me see. Yeah, I think you might be able to pull this one apart and make it fit your fingers because I have fat fingers. It runs in the family. And I always have to buy big sizes for rings and stuff. But anyway, here's the last thing that I got. I got this bag because I seen a person that I subscribed to on her on one of her videos. She has a little smell to it. She had this bag right here. Isn't that cute? And I think Chanel makes a bag like this. And I'm going to look it up and probably put a picture of it when I edit this edit up this video. I can't even talk right because it's so cute. Well, when I edit the video, I will put the Chanel bag, if it's Chanel that makes this handbag. But isn't that cute? And you just sort of open it like this. Oh. It has two magnetic closures on either side, as you can see right here, and right here. And I'm going to show you what it looked like on the inside. This is what it looked like on the inside, if you can see. No, stop it. No! Stop it! That's my cat. She is so bad. She about to pull down everything up in here. Stop it. Don't do that. Why are you doing that? She's trying to knock down everything. That cat is so bad. I'm going to pick her up and show you to her. Stop it. Y'all be stopping my video and stuff. Okay, well, this is how it look on the inside. It has what? Anything? It has nothing. No slip pockets or anything. It's just a deep hole for you to put your stuff in there. And stop it. Let's see. Here she go. She's so bad. Come here. Look at this cat. Isn't she cute? But she's so bad. Stop it. Look. Say hi to everybody. Say hi and say I'm bad and I have a very big belly. You see her big belly? Say I'm very bad. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. What are you making sounds for? You can't give me a kiss? Watch how she popping her hair back because she don't want to give me a kiss. This is the one tearing up everything. All right, you can go ahead. Bye. That's Bowley. That's my cat named Bowley. But here's the bag again. And it's kind of cheap feeling. I mean, it wasn't that expensive. I think I paid maybe, how much did I pay for this? Let's kind of look a little bit. Do a little sleuthing. And I can see how much I paid for it. Okay, I paid $8.44 for this handbag. And it's not very big and it's not very little. It's just like a medium, small medium size. And then here's the chain on there. This is the chain. I don't think this will go crossbody. I don't believe it will. Let's see. Now, it's one of those bags where it's just like up underneath your breast and stuff. So, crossbody, I probably won't be able to wear this crossbody. But I just thought it was cute. It's a nice little bag for spring or summer. Or even that the fall is coming now. I still could use this handbag for the fall. But, oh my goodness. This was a total bust. This ring, it was all jacked up. I mean, the nerve of them to send me this jacked up, broken up ring. This one is good. This one is okay. And this is the one I ordered. Because when I saw this on there, I was like, oh, what they want us to pick? Do they want us to pick one of these? Because I don't want that one because it looked flicked from the get-go. So I wanted this one right here because I saw a girl on here. She had on a ring like that. I subscribed to her page and she had one on, but hers had 4 balls on it. So I went looking for it and I found it. And I said, okay, let's just try it out and get it cheap. And but this thing right here, let's see. Let me see. Oh yeah, the whole thing fell off because it's supposed to have like a little. And it's not in the package, so one of these balls won't be able to go on there because it has, let's show you. If you can see that, it has like a little loop-de-loop on the top. If you can see that. You see that little loop-de-loop? Okay, so it would have to have that so I could hook it on. Like, let me try to hook it on right here on the side right here. And then that's how it should look. And then I should be able to hook the third one, but maybe I'll just have to rock it with just 2. Because, I mean, it's not real ugly, but I really didn't want that one. It's just the other one that I wanted. But that's all I got for now. And I'm going to have to try the belt on because it looks a little bit small. And the dimensions and stuff that they gave in there, now my waist ain't nowhere near that. But I said I just wanted to try it out because I used to have one like this. I think it was back in the 70s because that's when they kind of first came out. I had one, but the rings on there was bigger. And so I said, well, let me just try this out and see how this works. And I will probably maybe take pictures and do a mod shot with this little purse or whatever. And just try that ring belt. But this thing right here that I bought, I'm gonna open it up and let y'all see. I'm just watching my time. Let's just see. Okay, sorry y'all, I can't see. Ow, I just pulled this thing out and it jabbed into my skin. But anyway, let's just open this up. Open it up and let you see what it looked like. But sometimes you just want to wash a few small pieces. You know, maybe you just have a particular bra you want to wear and you just want to wash that particular bra. And I'm not going to set my washing machine to wash one thing. So this will come in just handy dandy for that. And what I'll do is once I get this up and working, I'll make a video and show you if it works. There it go. This is how they wrapped it. This is what it looked like. It's in plastic like this. And this is what it comes with. I'm going to take it out. This is the top of it right here. It's in this lavender color. They had your choice of colors between lavender and green. And I picked this one. And this is what it looks like. And it folds down, as you can see. Because you're supposed to be able to pull this up. And then this is the little dryer little attachment, where when you, whatever you wash in there, when you finish washing it, you just put it in here and it's supposed to sort of spin it dry. Not dry like it went into a dryer, but you know, most of the water out. And then here's the directions that's in there. Use, installation, instructions. But oh, this is a little bit bigger than I thought it would be. So this is a little basket. And then here's the if they sent me the right plug, yeah, because I said plug for the United States. Okay, here's the plug. This is the plug to plug it in. And then let's see if I can open this out, because they just push it down. Yeah, it's starting to do a little something. Hold up. Oh. Let's see if it can open. Okay, let's try it again. Okay, yeah. This is kind of how it looks. It can open up a little bit more, but this is kind of how it looks when you open it up. This is how it looks, like that. Hope you can see that. So, this is the drain, where you drain out the water when you finish washing, and this is where you plug it in there. And then this opens up a little bit more because it has all this right here. Hold up, let me see if I can open it up all the way. I don't want to break it. Let's see. Well, you get how it goes. And this is how the inside looks, if you can see that. It has the little thing in there that's going to turn around and wash your clothes. That's how it looks. And it's not like they try to make it seem like it's this great big washing machine or something. This is just something for small items, like if you have an infant, a baby, something like that. You could use that for a baby. That'd be good for a baby. And this is the top. That goes on the top. So when you're ready to put this up, this is how it looks. And when you're ready to wash, this is the top that you put on there. And of course it would be open back up. It wouldn't be down like this. This is how you store it. Okay? So that's how that goes. But, whoa, sorry. That's all I had for you for today. And I'm going to try to do this one and try to put this one up because I made a couple of videos. I made some in June, I made some in July, and I didn't put them up, okay, because it's been hot and stuff, and I just didn't feel like doing it. But anyway, let me just check my time. Okay. All right, well, that's all I came to you with for today. Just to show you these few little things that I bought. This little chain belt. You saw this, the little washer, the little portable little washer. And like if you got like an RV or something like that and you go camping and stuff like that, that's good. You can buy that and take with you to go camping and stuff. But I don't have an RV. I don't go camping, but if I did, I would take that. And then the 2 rings that I showed you. These 2 rings. And of course, what else did I have? The bag. I do. Oh. That's when you know you're getting old and senile. You just had something 1 minute ago. You don't know what you did with it. And this handbag, where it's like sort of denim. It looked like denim. And I believe that Chanel has a bag. Oh, I forgot. Oh, there's nothing on the back. I thought it was a zippered pocket on the back. No, no pockets on here nowhere. None in the front, none in the back. It just has the 2 snap closures right here. And just the inside, which is just a big, deep hole. And if I had my purse up here, I would show you what could go in there. But that will be for another video. Maybe I'll show you what can go in there. Okay, well, that's it for now. And that's all I came to show you. The few little things I got. Little unboxing. Little mini Shein haul. And hope you enjoyed the video. And I'm going to be stopping it now. And I'm going to try to get this one up as soon as I possibly can. So in closing, I just want to say, make sure you're still sanitizing and washing your hands because COVID is not really over yet. So keep washing your hands and keep with your sanitizer and stuff like that. And I just want to say God bless you. And I'll see you in my next video. I love you. Bye. See you next time. Bye.